Dear brethren, today I'm reading from the book of Genesis chapter 1 from verse 1 to 3. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. And then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Brethren, Genesis chapter 1 is about our heart. Genesis chapter 1 is about our spiritual life. Genesis chapter 1 is a reflection exactly of our spiritual life that we live as beginners. In everything or in every situation, there is a beginning. Brethren, before God spoke to the earth, what was the situation of the earth? The Bible says that the earth was without form. In other words, it was shapeless. Secondly, the earth was void. In other words, it was empty. There was nothing that was in the earth. And thirdly, the earth was full of darkness. Yes, you have heard me correctly. This was the situation of the earth before God started speaking. The earth had nothing appealing. The earth was in a hopeless situation. The earth was shapeless. There was no life in the earth. There was nothing that was appealing in the earth. But when God spoke, something happened. When God spoke to the earth, something happened. And what did God spoke? God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Brethren, what's light? Light brings vision. Light brings understanding. Light casts out darkness. That is exactly the situation of our salvation. When Christ comes in our earth, what happens is a vision is created in us. Light casts out the darkness in our earth, and understanding automatically comes in our earth.